let's talk about for loops. I have 3 examples here that I want to show you guys that are extremely useful, extremely powerful, and I want to make sure that you guys have this in your tool belt for any of the projects or anything that you're working on. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to loop through a range of values using what's called a for each loop. And so we're going to say for each x in range, we're going to say A1 through A10, okay, and next x. What we're going to do is we're just going to put a value in there. So we're going to say x.value equals 10. Okay, so this is for each x in this range, just put the number 10. Cool, so we'll execute that and bam, you'll see that it does that down column A. Okay, so let's do another example where we do this for each column, or sorry, for across the columns. So let's just add another sub, example 2. We'll say for each x in range A1 through, we'll go to Z1, we're going to do the same thing. Next x, and we're going to say x.value equals, we'll say 5. Let's go ahead and execute that, and bam, you'll see that it goes across the columns now. Okay, so very easy way to quickly add data vertically and horizontally. So now let's say we want to cover a bunch of values in a big range. So we'll do another example here. And we're going to say for each x in range A1 through Z, let's go all the way to 100 and see how long this takes to execute. Okay, and let's actually put a variable in here too, so we can increment this a little bit. So we're going to say x.value equals oops, sorry, I'm going to change this to a y, equals y, and then let's increment the y by 1 each round. Okay, so across this range, put the value of y, which is going to be 1 right away, and then we're going to increment by 1 each time. So let's go ahead and execute this, and I'm going to bring this over so you guys can see a little bit more, and bam. So now it's going across the rows and the columns. So it goes all the way out to row Z, or sorry, column Z, and then all the way down to row 100. So 3 simple for each loops, you guys. Very helpful, very powerful. Hopefully you guys learned something here today. Thanks. Bye.